We'll start with Dr. Rania. You can sit. Okay.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Thank you for this introduction,
10 minutes.
Dr. Mustafa. As he mentioned, I am Dr. Rania Fouad. I'm assistant professor at Helwan University Architecture Department. I am proud to be climate ambassador. Also, I'm R&D manager in Criteria Design Group. And we are here today to speak about our role as climate ambassador in the carbon literacy. And this is the main object here today. We will start with introduction about what is the organization of climate ambassadors and what is the qualities or qualifications that needed to be in the ambassadors. Also, we'll speak about the carbon literacy and how to calculate the carbon footprint, responsibility of universities in the carbon illustration, also the ways to reduce carbon footprint. We'll start with our introduction and how Climate Ambassador Organization is strengthening the capacity of building of climate and how we are working to illustrate the awareness of carbon and its carbon emissions and its effect on the climate change. In the initiative of Million Yes Volunteer for Climate Adaptation, as we call it as climate ambassadors, it's our aim to reach 1 million volunteers work in facing the challenges of climate change. We believe that small actions can make big differences on the long run. So we're starting to calling everyone to join our initiative as climate ambassadors and to start to work in your small area. If I'm working in my area and you'll work in your area, so all of us, we can make a very strong impact in our society. And also we'll speak, my colleagues will speak about the qualities of the climate ambassadors and how we have a professional training program for them to provide them the skills to be influencing and inspiring in the climate action. Also, we believe in the social responsibility for the universities and their role in guiding our youth. They are the future, so this is what we target to increase the awareness in the universities, not just in Egypt. Actually, we're trying to make cooperation with all over the world. Ways to reduce carbon footprint. I will stop here a little because we have many ways to reduce carbon footprint. We can start from the small actions we are making in our daily choices to bigger decisions for the decision makers. So we can speak, of course, about the renewable energy and its effect. It's as a magnificent solution for that. Also, for net zero. What is net zero is that we need to spread the awareness of net zero water, net zero carbon, net zero energy, net zero. So we need to spread this expression everywhere and to see what could be the application to work and achieve it. Recycle and reuse, it's magnificent solutions for our problem actually, to recycle and reuse the resources we already have. Also, the finance topic. Also, the finance topic is essential. And we are, as climate ambassadors, we are calling for relief the debts on the developing countries, to give them the chance to have that chance to increase and to make a good impact and trying to be environmentally friendly. Also construction, because I'm an architect, I belong to the field that affect on 40% of the carbon emissions, and this is the how I will try to speak fast about this. How can we to know exactly how can we have a solutions in the construction field. Consumption also is a basic topic to talk about. Our daily consumption, our local consumption as a city or even countries. This is a great topic. We need to have a solutions how to reduce our consumption and have the chance for the future generations. Transportations, nowadays it's much more easier than before, but unfortunately it's so much pollution coming from this way. So we have to adopt the environmental ways in transportation. now for some solutions for, as I mentioned, I'm an architect, and this is an application work from my field that we were working to reduce the building impact, and we're looking to trying to retrofitting building designs. Instead of using HVAC systems everywhere, if there is a chance, we can retrofit, replace it with natural ventilation, and we ensure that the thermal comfort for the users too. So this is an example for commercial buildings. This one totally depends on the HVAC system, but in the office I'm working on, we work it to replace the ventilation system was natural to reduce the carbon emissions, and we succeeded to reduce it by 60% by just making some solutions, and we added some openings to let the air in and the air out. Also, we offered more than one solutions. And we had a question before that this building is one floor building, so it doesn't, how can we work if there is multi-story building? We had another project for commercial building, multi-story one, and we managed also to make solutions, saved more than 55%, reduce it in the carbon emissions, and we offer the developers more than one time. So I'm at the end of my speech, I want to just say that in your place, you can make a great effect in your place, in your job, in your family, between your friends. You are a climate ambassadors. As all the attenders here, all the people that are interested in climate, I believe you are climate ambassadors. And here is you can connect with our initiative as climate ambassadors. And for me, thank you so much. Thank you.
Rania, fantastic.